Today we will discuss the point nuclear fusion. Look the spelling of fusion, nuclear fusion. The spelling of fusion, F-U-S, means fuse, combine together. Fuse means combine together. Now we will see the definition of nuclear fusion. A nuclear reaction in which lighter nuclei fuse together means combine together to form a heavier nucleus with liberation of large amount of energy is known as nuclear fusion. Now we will see again. In a nuclear reaction in which lighter nuclei fuse together to form a heavier nucleus with liberation of large amount of energy is known as nuclear fusion. The process requires very high temperature greater than 106 Kelvin. Therefore, this reaction is known as thermonuclear reaction. It cannot be controlled. Once started, it cannot be controlled. Here is the example of nuclear fusion. Here are some applications of nuclear fusion. Nuclear fusion is used in hydrogen bomb. Nuclear fusion is used in hydrogen bomb. It is a clean reaction, does not produce waste material. It is a main source of energy in 21st century. It is used in fusion reactor. Now we will revise nuclear fusion in short way. Here look the spelling of fusion means FUS, fused together. Lighter nuclei fuse together to form a heavy nucleus. It is not chain reaction. It requires high temperature more than 106 Kelvin. Products are not radioactive. It cannot be controlled once started. This principle is used in hydrogen bomb. Energy release per unit mass is more than fission. It is pollution free. Most important is energy released by sun is most important example of nuclear fusion. Here the energy is released by the sun result from a series of nuclear fusion reaction. The fusion reaction takes place at temperature greater than 40 million degrees Celsius. The overall reaction consists of fusion of 4 hydrogen nuclei to form helium nucleus as follows. Every second, the sun loses 4.3 multiplied by 109 kilogram of mass and release equivalent amount of energy. It is hoped that the sun will continue to pour energy on the earth for billions. Another example of nuclear fusion is hydrogen bomb. It is based on principle of uncontrolled nuclear fusion reaction. It contains small PU bomb with a container of isotopes of hydrogen. In hydrogen bomb, H2 and H3 undergoes a fusion, means fuse together at very high temperature to form helium, and tremendous energy is released. The explosion of such bomb is much more powerful than that of atom bomb, that is nuclear fusion. Atom bomb is an example of nuclear fusion. But this hydrogen bomb is much more powerful than atom bomb, that